Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to pair the Smart Edge Smart Door Lock with your phone or tablet, as well as demonstrate some of its features. Before pairing this lock with your phone, we'll need to make sure your router supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and it's connected to the Wi-Fi network. To pair this lock with your phone, we'll first need to install the My Smart Edge app. Then we'll need to register an account. And now we'll need to log in. Before pairing the lock, we should first go to the Me tab to complete home information. And now we can go back to the Home tab to pair the lock. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on and the app has permission to use it. Okay, so this lock can be unlocked using 3 different methods, but first we can rename it and assign it a location. The first method is using a password, which you can create and assign to members. This lock doesn't come with any existing passwords, and up to 10 unique passwords can be created at a time. Passwords assigned to other members can be assigned an effective period. You can choose to receive notifications, which can be an additional security feature. The dynamic password is another type of password that can be randomly generated and is only effective for 5 minutes. If a friend is dropping something off and you aren't home, you can text them the dynamic password so after they use it, it expires soon. The second method is directly using your phone to remotely unlock the lock. And the third method is using the physical key. Opening record is where you can see who used what method to unlock the door at what time. Any password remembered can be edited or deleted at any time. If a wrong password is entered 5 times, the keypad will be locked for 90 seconds and a notification will be sent to your phone. To exit this mode immediately, remove the batteries for more than 5 seconds and then reinsert them. To factory reset this lock, press and hold the set button for more than 5 seconds and release after you hear 5 short beeps followed by a long beep. Okay, so the Smart Lock Gateway enables long-distance access to all of the app's functions. To pair the gateway with your lock, we'll first need to plug it in and pair it with your phone. Make sure it's within Bluetooth distance to the lock. And now we can pair it with your lock through the app. yeah, that's about it.